back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So there's not going to be a work video today because it was doing the same thing as the last 2 days, which was just installing duct detectors. But luckily I got this package in the mail, and luckily it survived. As you can see, there's a giant hole in it. So luckily that survived that I know of. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And this is another package, my third package from Ireland. So I appreciate you, Stephen, for sending this out to me. And hopefully the package that I send you will arrive soon and that you will love that as well. So I haven't even paid him for this, all this stuff inside. So this dude's really just a true gentleman. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick without destroying my table. And hopefully nothing fell out or nothing got stolen. So hopefully this works out. Okay, here we go. All right, so here is everything. All right, so we got another pair of the Ireland cutters right here, or yeah, whatever you want to. Oh, dang! What is that? He's threw in a surprise. Okay, so we got the Ireland cutters right here. We got the, I don't know, what do you want to call it? The metric tape measure. So it's not in inches, it's in meters. So you got the metric tape measure, the Ireland cutters, and we got 3 new screwdrivers. So this is like one of the biggest flat blades they have. The other one was a little bit small, so I wasn't sure if it was going to fit inside of breakers or whatnot if I was going to use it. So this is a bigger flat blade, so it won't strip out on breakers and stuff like that. This is a 6.5 x 150. And then this is the, there should be the Phillips number 2 right here, 2x100. As you can see, you can't see it, but this says PH2. This one says 6.5 millimeter. And then the third one is a hex, which I've never seen before, a 3 millimeter hex. So it's a baby Allen set, 3 millimeter Allen set right there. So these will look beautiful right next to my other screwdrivers right there. And he sent me a package of Klein Tools cards, so I really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and open these guys up. Oh, these are awesome. So it has Klein Tools right here, Ace of Spades. What else we got in here? Those are just diamonds. Oh, dang, these are super cool. They have the insulated tools on the back. So the insulated linemans, well, these aren't even really linemans. These are like a hybrid lineman. So those are super cool. Oh, that's awesome. Each one of them is different. So you got the insulated diagonal cutters, the insulated needle nose. Oh, these are super cool, man. I appreciate that. So some of them are just black on the back, and some of them have, oh, I'm so confused. No, so they're all black on the back, but some of them have black cards on the front. So that's confusing but interesting, but I really appreciate the pictures. Looks like there's only those like 3 or 4, those 3 or 4 tools, and then there is the jokers, which have the little tick tracers right here, one there and one there. So those are super cool. I appreciate that, Stephen. He wrote me a letter here. So he says, "Hi John, the suppliers gave me these playing cards as a thank you. As I already have a set, I thought you might like these. I do. Thank you so much. If you already have a set, feel free to send them on to somebody else. Kind regards, Stephen." Well, thank you, Stephen. I appreciate you so much. I love these. I do not have these, so I will keep these and I will use them whenever I can. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the 3 screwdrivers, the tape measure, and another set of the Ireland cutters, and then there will be a 4th package coming. They're going to be bringing back the Klein Tools minis, which are basically just the little keychains of different tools and stuff like that, like the little backpack, the little meter, diagonal cutters, different stuff like that. So there's like 12 of those, so I'll probably get like at least like 2, 3, or 4 sets of those. So that'll be my next package. And there was one other tool that I was going to order, probably, maybe not. But anyways, I can't wait to get those when those come back out. So Steven's going to hook me up with those again. So thank you so much, Steven. You are literally the best person ever. And if you're watching this, but if not, you still are the best person. So thank you so much for all these tools. And just let me know how much I owe you, and I'll pay you because I have not paid for this yet. So he's a trustworthy man, and I appreciate that. So anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these unboxings as much as I am receiving them and opening them for you guys. That's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And that's going to do it for today's video. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace.